Welcome back to another week of nuclear news. We are winning this week. The world is finally waking up to what we've been talking about for many months at this point, right? And so early stage investors are getting rewarded this week, right? The Sprott Junior Uranium Miners ETF is up 13% in 1 week. The S&P 500 is only up 0.58%, right? So you can get rich in three ways. Cheat, be smarter than everyone else, or be first, right? We are first to this trade. Goldman Sachs is starting to realize what we've been talking about for years, right? Cameco Core, nuclear and uranium, long-term demand story gaining momentum. Stay buy, right? They want people to buy. This is October 16, 2024. We're raising our price target from $55 to $61, right? We could have told them that months ago. So let's stay on top of what is going on with this space. U.S. opens applications for $900 million for small nuclear reactors. This is $900 million in funding to support the initial domestic deployment of small modular reactor nuclear technology. We've been talking about how the United States is pumping billions of dollars into nuclear. Loan applications for U.S. advanced nuclear energy projects are on track to soar more than 10x since last year. So this is the wall of capital flooding into this space. Massive financing deals going on, billions of dollars being put to work. What's that going to do for the demand of uranium, which is needed to fuel all these nuclear power plants? Amazon and Google sign nuclear energy deals as AI-powered demands surge. The two tech giants are looking to a new generation of small modular reactors, while Microsoft has its own nuclear plans tied to the 3 Mile Island plant. So the big tech companies, some of the wealthiest organizations on the planet, are talking with their wallets, right? They know the future has to be nuclear powered, and they're spending a fortune on it. Amazon makes $500 million bet on itty-bitty nuclear reactors to fuel cloud empire, while there are several startups developing SMRs, including NuScale and Sam Altman-backed Oklo. Amazon is betting big on X Energy's SMR tech for the Washington development. Very interesting. We'll have to look how to get exposure to X Energy, but you can get exposure to Oklo and NuScale, both publicly traded companies doing extremely well. Europe's SMR Alliance endorses 9 nuclear projects and push for 2030's deployment. It's not just big tech, it's not just America, it's Europe. And then it's Russia. Russia allocates $1 billion for massive nuclear icebreaker, paving way for year-round Arctic shipping. This is revolutionary technology, all running on scarce above-ground uranium. Japan's oldest reactor okayed to operate beyond 50 years. This just speaks to the massive demand for nuclear. Turkey eyes nuclear energy alliance with China, plans modular reactor development. Russia's Rosatom to support nuclear projects across Africa at AEW 2024. Can't forget Africa, right? Kazakhstan and China locking up another uranium supply agreement. 11 new reactors per year requires a lot of fuel. When will Western nuclear utilities do the same? The biggest countries on the planet trying to shore up supply of this scarce resource. 7 years after SE nuclear debacle, advisory groups suggest potential restart of failed project. So the story remains the same. Massive exponential demand of nuclear power and therefore uranium, which is in a multi-decade supply crunch currently.